do you make boulders?
That's for another day. Well, girls, I don't know if you recognize me, but I am Mother Nature.
Oh, why are we here?
Well, girls, I don't know if you noticed, but my oil's in the ocean, my ozone layers are killing me, and my icebergs are melting! Why?
So, why are we here?
Well, you gotta save the Earth, because I'm dying.
What? Great. So, does that mean we're, like, special or something?
Well, in fact.
So are we like Captain Planet?
No, he's my husband. He's out trying to save the icebergs right now. But you guys, you have special powers. You need to save the world.
Superpowers! Superpowers!
Well, not exactly.
So then what?
Well, I'm dying right now, and I need someone to take over for me when I'm gone.
Just tell us what our freaking powers are!
Well, you, Thorn, you can walk on water. The other two, you can stand in water.
Oh, I could do that before. Do I get anything special?
Yes.
All I get is walking in water?
No, you can't walk.
Oh my god, this is so cool! Shut up! God! Try to find out what my power is. Because I am the important one. What is my power?
Jzanez, you can talk to animals.
No way! Power, what's my power?
Why, you, Mavis, you can carry their stuff. You're a pack mule.
And pack mule. Wait, I get to kill people. That's my power. No, it's pack mule. I get to kill people. Come! So, what do you want us to do, Mother Nature?
Huh. Maybe it was just a figment of our imagination. We're all just drawn here.
Oh, man,
by
we
our
did
yearning
that
to
too.
save the planet.
How do you explain this?
Guess it's us to save the world with
Thorn, it's a power to walk on water!